Top 10. Best boat carpets. Up the boat and give it a great new look, no matter if your boat doesn't have a carpet or you have one which is old and worn out. Number 10. Lancer Carpet Marine 6x20 20 ounces, feet long. The quality is quite good, since it has 20 ounces weight. While there's only one size, color choice is large with 11 available. The back is made from rubber but it's flexible so you can fit it anywhere. It takes a long time to wear out this carpet. Easy to clean. Very durable. One size available. Number 9. Better Marine Carpet Marine ounces carpet, which is rubber backed and has excellent moisture resistance. It stops mold and mildew from developing. Of course, it has UV protection too. It's designed for pontoon boats, and you should glue it to the boat surface. It's very painless to install and clean. Adaptable and easy to install. 3-year warranty. Made in USA. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best boat carpets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Value Carpets 8x15 16 ounces marine, polypropylene and shows excellent durability. The material has been UV stabilized to reduce fading as much as possible. Yarn will not fuzz, and it's fairly easy to clean. This is a good choice as a fishing boat carpet, because it's very durable, good choice for fishing boats. No fuzzing and fading. 2-year warranty. Number 7. Marine Carpeting 28 ounces. It's a top-rated marine carpet, measuring 8 feet in width and 5 lengths to choose from. This is best suitable for pontoons, but can be used on other boats too. There are 6 colors you can pick: sand, burgundy, granite, royal, ocean and charcoal. High quality. Instructions. Carpet knife and blades. Number 6. BoatCarpetSales 16 ounces. It's one of the most affordable solutions we featured. This doesn't mean that it lacks quality like most others. It's made from 100% polypropylene with UV stabilization, and offers exceptional resistance to mold, mildew and stains. You can buy it in 4 colors. Great mold and mildew resistance. Very comfortable. Stains are removed easily. Number 5. Value Carpet 6x21 20 ounces marine. It's available in 10 beautiful colors, some of which are not offered by other manufacturers. Relative to the size, this carpet is very affordable. It's made from polypropylene which has been UV stabilized, so the color will remain steady for a longer time period. Affordable. 2-year sun fade warranty. Thick. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best boat carpets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Marine Carpeting 32 ounces. Boats. Different lengths are available too, from 10 to 30 feet. It's a fantastic product, with 32 ounces weight and a rubber backing. You can buy it in 4 colors too, and they will send out samples for you to compare before buying. Like other products from this supplier. Installation manual. Carpet knife and blades. High quality. Number 3. Home and More Indoor. Anywhere you want, not just your boat. What separates it from others is that it's made from polyester fibers. These are highly resistant to mold and stains, while still being very easy to clean. Pile height is 1/4 of an inch, and the carpet has a solid pattern. UV protection is included, resistant and durable. Low pile height. Rib texture. Number 2. RestorePontoon. Excellent choice. It's a 16 ounces product which comes in 15 great colors and 4 sizes. Every size is 6 feet wide, while the length is between 16 and 30 feet. It has a very solid build, and the fibers are resistant to fading from UV rays, as well as mildew and moisture. Largest color choice. 3-year warranty. Mildew resistant. Number 1. Marine Carpeting 20 ounces do-it-yourself. Barefoot. You can get it in 12 colors to match the details on your boat. It's available in 6 sizes. Every size is 8 feet wide, while you can choose the length between 10 to 30 feet. It's a Cutpile carpet which is very easy to clean and maintain. Beautiful colors. Installation manual. Carpet knife and blades. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best boat carpets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.